Lexi from Moreton Bay Region Libraries, and I'd like to welcome you all to Baby Rhyme Time today. First of all, we're going to start with our acknowledgement to country. So all you have to do is follow along. Here is the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I. Respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up really high, hands down low, and we are on gubby ground. Good job everyone. Okay, now we can't start the morning without saying hello, so I want everyone to get all their waving hands up and ready to roll. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Good job everyone. Now get all your tickly little fingers out and we're gonna tickle our toes. So a tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high, arms go low, and a great big hug to say hello. Fantastic. Okay, so now our first rhyme today will be a very familiar rhyme. We're going to do Incy Wincy. So you can do it really trickily like this, or you can do it like this, or for any mums out there with babies, you can do it up their belly or down their back, it's up to you. Okay. Incy Wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy spider climbed up the spout again. Good job. And now I think we're going to get Incy Wincy to climb up a tree. Here's my tree. Incy Wincy spider went climbing up a tree. Down came the snow and made poor Incy freeze. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the snow. So Incy Wincy spider had another go. Good job everyone. Okay, who's ready to move your arms and legs? We're going to do Johnny works with one hammer, but he doesn't work with one hammer, he doesn't work with two hammers, doesn't work with three, he works with four, so it's a really good counting one. Johnny works with one hammer, Johnny works with one hammer, then he works with two. Johnny works with two hammers, Johnny works with two hammers, then he works with three. I'll get your leg out. Johnny works with three hammers, Johnny works with three hammers, then he works with four. Johnny works with four hammers, Johnny works with four hammers, then he falls to sleep. Good job. And I'm sure that got everyone really up and excited. Okay, here's our next song we're going to do here is the Beehive. So, follow me. Here is the beehive, but where are the bees? Hidden away where nobody sees. Watch out and you'll see them come out of their hive. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're alive! Buzz! Okay, let's do that one all over again. Ready? Here is the beehive, but where are the bees? Hidden away where nobody sees. Watch and you'll see them come out of their hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're alive! Buzz! Good job being bees, everyone. Okay, for another counting one, we're going to do a really good classic one called 5 Little Monkeys. And they're going to be jumping on a bed, so don't jump on beds, kids. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Now we've got 4. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Now we got 3. 3 little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. We're up to 2 now. 2 little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. And how many are we up to now? I think we're up to 1. 1 cheeky monkey jumping on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, put those monkeys straight to bed. Good job. Okay, now we're going to do our last rhyme. It's twinkle, twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Good job. I think we'll do that one again. Ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Good job, everyone. Okay, now we're going to do our tickly fingers all over again, but to say goodbye. So a tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, and a tickle for your tummy. Oh, I don't think that's my tummy. Hang on, is this my tummy? Yes. Tickle for my tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go low, arms go high, and a great big hug to say goodbye. Now we'll do a goodbye song. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you another